Get ready for the monster truck and Bigfoot. It's Beach Devastation. 2 special nights, June 15th and the 16th at the Myrtle Beach Speedway. See the most exciting monster trucks in the United States. It's the biggest and baddest 5-ton monster truck machines hungry for action. Tickets are on sale now. Get yours and special VIP passes at myrtlebeachspeedway.com. Remember, it'll be a night watching Bigfoot and other monster trucks perform right here at the Speedway. Looking for a great experience on your beach vacation? Experience it all at Myrtle Beach Speedway. The excitement of speed.